Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find an equation of the tangent line and we have the point in here. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find first derivative of the function of y. So we do first derivative of arccosx of x. We will have about negative multiplied by 1 over 1 minus s squared. This is about first derivative of arccosx in here. Next, we can apply the formula in here. That's about y equals to first derivative of y, and we have s minus s0 plus y0 in here. Now, we have s equals to negative of the square root of number 2 over 2. So we put this value in here and we put this one cone here to find about first derivative of y, and we have negative of the square root of number 2 over 5. S0, that is about this one, but we have the negative sign here. Negative with negative, we have positive. Y0, that is about this one, 3b over 20. And now we need to distribute, and we have negative the square root of number 2 over 5 s, and we have negative 1 over 5 plus 3b over 20. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.